Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a supported PowerShell version. Once done, set a temporary execution policy so scripts run. This avoids permanent system changes. Next, navigate into the Office installation folder where OSP. VBS lives, typically under Program Files. Make sure to use the 32 or 64-bit folder matching your Office build. Then list the current license state with cscript OSP. VBS/D status, so you know whether you need KMS or MAK steps. You now choose KMS or MAK based on the license channel shown. For KMS, point the client to the host and port, cscript OSP. VBS/seths to your KMS, host and /setbit 1688, then run cscript OSP. VBS/ACT to request activation. For Mac, input the product key with cscript OSP. VBS/INPKey, your KEY here, then run /ACT to contact Microsoft. Make sure network traffic to the host is permitted. After activation, reruns. You finish by forcing a final activation attempt and restarting any open Office apps so the new license loads. Rerun cscript OSP. VBS/D status to confirm a license state or to view error codes. If you see failures, check Event Viewer application logs for OSP, VBS, or Office licensing errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if activation fails, make sure DNS resolves your KMS host or that outbound connections to Microsoft activation endpoints aren't blocked. Network issues are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.